Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you are new to the family, please hit subscribe button and thank you for doing that. Today I'm coming to you with an unboxing and try-on video. I haven't done any designer videos for a while and today is the day for doing this. I got a few items from Louis Vuitton and I'm opening it with you guys for the first time on camera. Shall we do it? I'm gonna start with the small unboxing. As you can judge by the size of the shopping bag, it is an SLG item. Let's see what's inside. So this one is called Louis Vuitton Circle 35mm reversible belt. It combines the monogram print and the black epi leather. And also it features a brass buckle with gold finish. So this is the monogram side and this is the black leather side. So if you want to switch the side, you take off this the buckle and put it through the hole, and you have this black belt now. I used the last hole to wear this belt on the waist, and I still have a little bit of room. This is size 75 and it is the smallest size available at Louis Vuitton. I'm glad that I didn't go for size 80. Yeah, because you can see that I have some room here. Now I'm gonna wear this belt with the jeans, and this is, I'm wearing high-rise jeans. So let's see how it will look with high-rise jeans. For that I used the third hole from the end, and it looks like so. I feel comfortable. Guys, I would suggest to go for your true size, because so if you go for a bigger size, this end will stay the same, but on the right side you will have more extra part showing off. Okay, another unboxing. As some of you guys may already know, this is Louis Vuitton Onthego tote in size GM. Smells good. I fell in love with this tote full-fledged when I saw this for the first time on Louis Vuitton website. By the time I was ready to make the purchase, unfortunately the bag has not been available for purchase. I almost gave up on this one until a few days ago I popped into a Louis Vuitton store, and guess what? I saw this bag sitting on the shelf. This one had just been brought out and sat on the counter. That's what my sales associate told me. So obviously I decided to buy this purse and have my hands on it. So it's a combination of different print sizes and different canvases. So one side is the giant monogram in reverse canvas. The other side, giant monogram print on classic canvas. So both handles are different. The one handle is in lighter, in beige color, and the other handle is in in chocolate color. So basically, you also see the game of colors. So darker color handle goes with lighter monogram canvas, and the lighter handle on the darker on classic monogram canvas. So one side has classic monogram print and the other side is in reverse canvas. Let's take a closer look at this beautiful tote. I love the attention to details that Louis Vuitton put into this bag. All the stitching, all the details, hardware, it is done in an impeccable way. I love this purse so much. My first impression is that this purse will be more sturdy and more robust. Even by looking at the corners, I see that there has been a lot of reinforcement put into this. So inside of the bag, you see, of course, you see the straps, and also you see the zipped pocket as well as two additional pockets. And of course, this beautiful, beautiful red lining. Inside the bag, up there is a little leather tag attached, and it says that the bag is made in USA of imported material. So the bag is made in USA. Okay, so let's go for pros and cons. I think it's very important to know this tote is perfect for travel and for work. You can throw a lot of stuff in it. It's huge. You can basically shovel your entire life in this purse. The print is versatile and will go with any outfit. Of course, the different color combination is a plus, so you can wear this purse on facing the darker side or the lighter side. Because this bag is larger than, for instance, Neverfull MM, it is a much heavier bag. So Neverfull is basically weightless. It doesn't weigh anything. You can put as much stuff in it and you will not feel the weight of the bag, I mean. Here, if you put a lot of stuff, obviously you are dealing with a lot of weight. Personally, I think that this bag will be okay bag for those who are 5'7", 5'6", and up. For those who are 5'4" and under, it might be an overwhelming bag. I have a recent update for you guys. I just got the text message from my Louis Vuitton sales associate, and she told me that the MM size is available. She was able to get the MM size for me. So probably I will go to Louis Vuitton store and get it, or maybe she will mail it to me. I haven't decided yet, but I was thinking maybe I should film another video, a comparison video between the GM size and MM size. If you want me to do that, please let me know. This one is online order. So I got the package a few days ago, and today I pulled this box out just to see what's in there, but I never opened the box, so let's do the unboxing. I love the smell of all new Louis Vuitton bags. So that's the bag. Oh my god. Jeez. And that is the League of Legends capsule collection Neverfull MM. This is a limited edition. So once so they make a certain number of items for purchase, and Once it's sold out, it is sold out. Furthering its partnership with Riot Games League of Legends, Louis Vuitton has launched a capsule collection in honor of the game. The entire limited collection League of Legends has been designed by artistic director for women's clothing at Louis Vuitton, and his name is Nicolas Gasquet. French people, help me out there. I hope I pronounce his last name correctly, but if not, just let me know. So the new collection incorporates both elements of the League of Legends world, Louis Vuitton elements, and of course personal visions and inspirations of Paul Gasquet. This bag is crafted from monogram canvas featuring a camouflage print inspired by League of Legends champions. This is how the League of Legends Neverfull looks like up close. So see the all these stripes. It's same old, Neverfull. So inside there is a big zipped pocket, and the lining is beige with chocolate stripes, and also there is a zipped pouch, and this is the buckle. It looks like so. The straps, the trim and the cinchers are made from black leather, black cowhide leather. The straps are very tough and very sturdy. I think they probably look the same as the Damier Ebin Neverfull handles. Personally, I don't find them comfortable enough. So this is probably the main concern when it comes to this limited edition Neverfull. I love the print, I love everything, but the handles are not soft enough. You can wear this on the hook of your arms, like so. Or you can wear this as a top handle. You can also pull out these straps and wear it as a top shoulder bag. This one is League of Legends capsule collection limited edition Neverfull MM. You can wear this bag as a top shoulder, or you can wear this on the hook of your arm. What was your favorite bag? Did you like this one, or did you like Onthego? Do you like this new League of Legends capsule collection from Louis Vuitton? Do you like this print? Do you like colors? Well, anyways, just give me your honest opinion. Thanks for watching and see you guys soon. Bye.